get going to our next destination. Goodbye, Central Park. Next stop for the day is the Grand Central Terminal train station, and yes, this beautiful building is actually a train station, and I know it featured on a lot of TV shows, and it's a very famous attraction over here. Why wouldn't it be? It's so beautiful. Architecture wise, it's so pretty, and they have beautiful painting on the ceiling as well. And then of course this is the grand staircase behind me. So there's one staircase here, and then there's another staircase on the other side, and then there are of course trains leaving to different places. I think some long term like long journey trains as well, but it's a beautiful place to just come here, have a quick look. I'm just going to go walk up the stairs and see the view from up the staircase. This is quite a vibrant alley. There are a lot of attractions located here. Of course, we have the Grand Central. I just came out of it, so that's a bridge which says Grand Central Terminal. Some really tall and nice building, and of course the yellow cabs. New York City is known for these yellow cabs.
Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us.
Now I'm going to start walking towards my next destination, which is the St. Patrick's Cathedral. I think it's like a short 10 minutes walk from here. So that's going to be my next stop, and after that I'm going to end the day and also my trip to New York City by visiting Times Square. Of course, how can a trip to New York City be complete without visiting the famous or the infamous Times Square?
Maybe it's just me. There's trash out in the sea, yeah, but I'm just too dry to reach it. So speak sincerely.
I'm at the St. Patrick's Cathedral. It's actually a huge cathedral, and it looks very beautiful and very out of place between all these tall skyscrapers, and it definitely stands out, but unfortunately I don't think I can go inside. It looks like it's closed, so I'll just have to admire the cathedral from outside. So St. Patrick's Cathedral, like 7 minutes walk from the Grand Central Terminal. Like the cathedral is open, so I'm just going to go inside and see how it looks from inside. street that you see behind me is the Fifth Avenue, which is the most expensive and the most famous shopping street of New York City. I can see all these high-end brands like Michael Kors, Gucci, Prada, and there are so many more. Of course, I'm not going to go inside. Just window shopped while on my way to the next stop. But it's a very lively area. It's right next to the St. Patrick's Cathedral. So there's the St. Patrick's Cathedral, and then I don't know what is this sundial over here that they have. And the Rockefeller Center is also at this very spot. But it's a very vibrant and a very lively place. I'm going to continue my journey to the last stop in New York, which is going to be Times Square. I'm at the last stop of my New York trip, and of course it's the bustling Times Square, as you can see behind me. And this is one crazy place. Like, it's night time, it's 7:30 p.m. but it looks as if it's daytime because of all these bright, huge, colorful billboards, the digital boards and the neon lights. And it's a bustling place, like it's completely jam-packed with people. But amazing place, and of course no New York itinerary would be complete without visiting the Times Square. You can see behind me the sea of people at Times Square, and you'll find a lot of people who are dressed up as cartoon characters or some other characters, and if you make eye contact with them, they'll start putting on some show for you, and then they'll expect some money from you. So just steer clear of them, and don't even like try to get a picture clicked with them, because they'll easily ask you for like $15-20. That's what I have heard. So just come here, enjoy the vibe of New York City. This is totally New York City's vibe at the Times Square, and end your New York trip with a bang.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to start your show. If you guys are ready, we need everyone to please step up.
Okay, I think I'm done here and now I'm going to head back to my hotel. So this was an amazing end to my New York City visit. Tomorrow I'm going to head to a new destination in the United States of America. So keep watching my channel to find out which is that destination. My mic gave up